And the high country already seeing some snow before it hits the metro area. Dave, you're keeping an eye on it.
Yeah, snowing lightly up there now, but they're going to get a wallop in some of the mountains over the course of the next 24 hours, Andrea. Take a look. Things are already changing for us here. We're 50 degrees, but as we look from City Park into downtown, you're seeing increasing clouds out there now, and the temperatures are still fairly decent, upper 40s to lower 50s around here. So the warm-up is still in play, at least for the Denver metro area. But look at this. We've already got a little bit of light rain showing up in northern Weld County, moisture and clouds moving into the northeast, and right up along the Continental Divide up here, we're starting to pick up a little bit of snow as moisture is coming in northwesterly flow here. Cold front is still back up into Wyoming, but it's kind of a two-parter, if you will. There's a low, which is right over Idaho, and the cold front that spreads down into Nebraska here. So all of this is going to just kind of ooze right into Colorado into the evening tonight. So we could see some rain after about 4 or 5 o'clock here, and then overnight it changes over to snow. Snow in the morning across the northern mountains and the northeastern plains. As the low settles in, we still get upslope going during the afternoon. And by Friday morning, high pressure moves in and we start to clear out. But here's what should happen now. Here are all of our warnings and advisories for the lower elevations of Jefferson County, down to Fort 70, all the way up through Fort Collins, Greeley, Brighton, Briggsdale, and out to the northeast about 3 to 7 here. You get up into some of the higher mountain areas up here, which includes our higher foothills of Laramie and Boulder County. We could see 10 to 20 inches of snow. Same thing from Steamboat down through Aspen here, and in the purple shaded areas, lighter amounts, but mainly the northern part of Colorado is really going to get hammered with this tonight into Thursday night. Here's the Denver forecast now. Through tomorrow morning, could have about 1 to 2 inches of snow in the metro area, a little more from Fort Collins into Boulder, more like 3 to 5 here. And then we go into the afternoon tomorrow in this blue shaded area out here, the lighter blue, about 3 to 6 inches of snow possible in Denver. We could see about 3 to 8 inches from Fort Collins, Longmont, Boulder, down through Golden, Evergreen, and Conifer as well. And then, of course, you get up into those higher areas, could be close to a foot or more in Nederland, Estes Park, Red Feather Lakes, much like the last storm that blew through here. So here's how it plays out tonight. A chance of rain mixed with snow later tonight, and then the snow comes into play tomorrow morning. We will be in the snow. Highs today, 50s and 60s here, but look at the highs for tomorrow. A lot of 30s showing up on the weather map as most of the state starts to cool down. So the forecast today, increasing clouds, a few showers later this afternoon. Will be in the low 50s for the high. Tonight we drop into the 20s, rain showers first, and then overnight snow developing, winding up with up to 3 to 6 inches of snow in town, and 32 for the high. 48 Friday, morning flurries. And Andrea, by the time we get to the weekend, we are warming back up, and by the time we get to Sunday, should be back to 63.
Looks pretty good. Thank you so much, Dave.
You're welcome.
Keep track of that